Hey friends, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about function called subtotals. So let's see what subtotal can do for you. Suppose this is my data. I have around 25 stores, retail stores, and this is the store-wise data, their area, opening date, and net sales. Okay. Suppose I want a subtotal of this data at the zone level, that is all the total of south zone, then east zone, west zone, like that, subtotals. So in that case, either I will do it manually by inserting a row here, but if you will see that there is a south in it below also, because as of now this data is sorted on store code. But I want all south together, all east together, west together and all. So I need to sort it first, right? And then insert a line and then type some total formula. So that is the traditional way. But by using subtotal function or subtotal feature, you can do it in a very quick manner. So to start with the subtotal, you need to sort the column on which you want to apply a subtotal. So here in our example, we will apply a subtotal on zone. So I'll select the zone and then I'll go to data and sort A to Z. So now my zone is sorted, east, north, south and west. Now I can go to data tab again and subtotal. So here it will ask on which column you want to apply subtotal at each change in. So at what is meant by at each change in, it will start checking the column from the first cell, and at each change, see east, now there is a change, north. So each change, at each change it will insert a subtotal, then north, then south, then west. If you don't sort this column, then it will add a subtotal at each change. So suppose there are 3 east here, and again after some sales again 2 or 3 east stores are there, then it will add subtotal to there also, wherever the zone will change. That is why it is important to sort the column before applying a subtotal. So at each change in, I'll select zone here. Then we can apply a different type of aggregation. Normally we use sum only, but you can use count, average, max, mean and product as well. Product means it will multiply all the numbers in the range, but for our example I am selecting only sum. Then just tick here, replace current subtotals. If you have already applied any subtotals before, it will replace them all with the latest one. Okay, and then just say OK. See what has happened is it has added the subtotal, east total, north total, west total and grand total below each group. So this east, all the 3 east stores comprise of one group, because we have applied subtotal on zone and we had selected net sales. If you want to apply subtotal on area also, you can again go to subtotal and select area also. Okay, so see the area on area field also it has added a subtotal. And then it groups all the data, because see subtotal is something which is added by the Excel. It was not there in your original data. So if you want to show only subtotals, if you want to show all the data, then you will be on the level 3 of the grouping. See at the left hand side there is a grouping 1, 2, 3. So currently we are on the level 3, which is the lowest grouping. If you go to level 2, it will only show subtotals of each zone and grand total, and if you go to level 1, it will show only grand total. Okay, so whenever you are sitting in a meeting, you can show the grand total first, then expand it and show the each zone wise total. And if someone is interested in looking at a particular zone, you can just go here and just press this plus sign, and only north data will be shown. And if you want to show everything, then just click on this third level button. So all the data will be shown. Now if you want to remove this, You don't have to do anything, just select any cell in your data, go to subtotal and click this button, remove all. So it will remove all the subtotals and it will restore it to the earlier stage where there was no subtotal on your data. Understood? Now we will try once again. This time we will apply it on state. So I am selecting the state column, then sort. So I am sorting this A to Z. You can sort it Z to A, that is descending also. So let it keep it descending, Z to A. Then go to subtotal. Then now instead of zone, I will select state. Sum, these two columns. I will just remove the area from here. The problem is you can only apply a same type of subtotal or same aggregation on all the columns. It is not possible to apply a count on your store code and sum on your net cells. Okay, that is one limitation of the subtotal function, but it's okay. You can use sum for all the numeric fields. Okay, then I'm just pressing OK, and it has added the subtotal at state level now. See, if I go to second level grouping, then all the states are there and their net cells are showing. If I go to first level grouping, then only grand total is showing. Understood? So this is very useful feature to summarize your data and to make your data a little bit presentable in a quick span of time and without spending much time on that. Okay, so I hope you like this function. If you have any queries, just message me and I'll try to resolve them. And till then, goodbye. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.